Okay, real quick video. Vickers Tactical Slide Stop Gen 5. See that 22 in there? That's what we just did. We just removed the factory slide stop. Pretty simple process. Put in the new Vickers Tactical. Got a little bit of grip on the side. Ambidextrous. Did that whole thing. Super easy. Thought it was going to be challenging. All I did was use a punch. Push that pin out. Once I took the pin out, took a couple parts out. There's videos on YouTube for you to see that. Wiggle this around a little bit. Wiggle that around a little bit. Pin slip right back in. And it's a done deal. Now, I like the way that's working. Also, did the same thing for the 43X. Hold on, let me see if I can get it uncovered here. Got the Vickers on that one as well. See how that works there? Just enough ledge for it to go up and down. Works great. I love it. Of course, on the 43X, it's not ambidextrous, but there it is. So you see it. That little ledge makes a huge difference. And if you guys are Glock guys, you know how this works. So anyway, sweet little addition to the family there. Again, this is my Gen 5 Glock 22 40 caliber. Just switch that out. Probably gonna do those soon. They gotta come out of there. But anyway, just wanted you guys to see that. Here we go, Vickers Tactical. And the one thing I do like about this, just as a side note, is that it doesn't stick out so far that it can impede any movement. Doesn't change much, but it's just enough ledge on the top and the bottom for you to be able to release it quickly. So, great investment. I don't like racking the slide by grabbing these serrations back here or these serrations. I like releasing the slide lock. So, anyway, Blue Jay Tactical here. Just want you guys to see what I did. And beautiful product. Thank you, Vickers.